I've been to Freedom Park several times, but on this occasion, I decided to document it. I was here meeting with a friend. Freedom Park seems like the ideal place to sit down and have a chat. I met with Madam Shola Salako all the way from the UK, and we had a really good time. Get ready to explore the transformative story of Freedom Park in Lagos. But first, make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you never miss a video. Click that subscribe button now and let's begin this journey together. Freedom Park in Lagos carries a powerful legacy. Once the dreaded Broad Street prison, it's confined to those who fought for Nigerian independence under British colonial rule. Today, this space is a vibrant memorial to their bravery and a symbol of the nation's journey towards freedom. Picture this: under the open sky, on one of the park's many stages, the drama unfolds, the actors and their voices resonating with passion, bringing to life the stories of those who came before. They might portray a poignant moment in the fight for independence, perhaps a scene of resistance against injustice, or even a humorous take on the everyday lives of Lagosians. The echoes of the past, the struggle for freedom. They are no longer just stories in books, they are brought to life right there before your very eyes. You feel the emotions of the characters. You understand their plight. You witness their courage. It is not just entertainment, it is a powerful way of connecting with history. The stage comes alive with a different kind of energy. The air fills with the sounds of music, maybe the infectious beat of Afrobeat, the soulful melodies of high life, or the rhythmic pulse of traditional drumming. Concerts at Freedom Park are something else. The energy is palpable. You feel it in the ground beneath your feet. People dance, sing along, and share an unforgettable experience. From established musicians to emerging artists, the park stages have hosted some of the very best talents in Nigeria. The music weaves a tapestry of sound that reflects the diversity and richness of Nigerian culture. And there are the art exhibitions. The park's walls and open spaces transforms into a gallery of creative brilliance. Artists, both established and emerging, showcase their work, whether it's powerful painting that captures the essence of Nigerian life, thought-provoking sculptures that challenge perception, or intricate installation that tells a story through form and space. The art is not merely decorative. It often reflects the complex realities of Nigerian society, its history, its hopes, and its dreams. You are not just walking through a park, you are navigating a space where every corner reveals something new, inspiring, something thought-provoking. Imagine the creative energy that has permeated the very stones of this place, from powerful theatrical productions that bring the struggle of freedom to life to electrifying concerts that celebrate the country's musical heritage and thought-provoking art exhibition that challenges perceptions. All these performances have become woven into the fabric of Freedom Park. Each event adds to the park's layered history, building upon the legacy of resistance and transformation. The park is not just a venue, it's a catalyst. It empowers artists to share their voices. It encourages dialogue and it fosters a sense of community. It's a place where the past informs the present and where the present creates a new future. Freedom Park does not just tell stories, it is constantly evolving, creating new stories through the artistic expression of those who come to perform and share their work within its walls. And that is what truly makes this park so special. It is not just a memorial, it is a vibrant, living, breathing testament to the power of art, culture, and human spirit. Instead of demolishing the prison entirely, many of its original structures were preserved. These include the prison cell blocks, where inmates were once held. While their original function is gone, they serve as a poignant reminder of the past. The watchtower, once used to monitor the prisoners, still rises above the park, allowing visitors to look out over the space. Some of the former cell blocks have been repurposed as museum spaces, art galleries, and exhibition halls. These spaces allow visitors to learn more about the prison's history, the lives of prisoners, and Nigeria's struggle for independence. Freedom Park isn't just about preserving the physical remnants of a former prison, it is also about celebrating the individual stories that have shaped Nigeria's identity. Throughout the park, you will find a compelling collection of sculptures that pay tribute to national heroes, cultural figures, and legendary personalities. These sculptures are more than just decorative elements, they are powerful symbols of resilience, courage, and cultural pride. The sculptures serve as a form of remembrance, ensuring that the contributions of these individuals are not forgotten. They act as a visual reminder of the struggles, sacrifices, and triumphs of the past. By showcasing the achievements of past heroes and legends, the sculptures inspire visitors to thrive for excellence and contribute positively to the society. They act as role models for present and future generations. The sculptures help to reinforce Nigeria's rich cultural heritage, celebrating its diverse traditions and the creative spirit of its people. They foster a sense of pride and belonging among Nigerians. The triumvirate Chief Obafemi Awolowo, Nnamdi Azikiwe, Tafawa Balewa, their sculptures were erected in the Freedom Park to constantly remind us that they are our founding fathers of modern Nigeria, playing crucial roles in the nation's struggle for independence and its early years as a self-governing state. Their sculptures within the park serve as a powerful reminder of their contributions and the complex political landscape they navigated. The sculpture of Fela Anikulapo Kuti in the Freedom Park is particularly resonant. Fela, as is widely known, was not a politician in the conventional sense, nor was he a freedom fighter in the same vein as some other figures commemorated in the park. However, his impact on Nigerian society and culture was profound, making his presence in this space a powerful statement about the nature of freedom and resistance. Thank you guys for making it this far. I truly don't take your support for granted. You are my amazing fan. Freedom Park is just the beginning. Join a vibrant community of history, travel, food, places, enthusiastic art lovers, and culture lovers. Subscribe to our channel to share your thoughts, ask questions, and be part of the conversation. We value your feedback and we want to explore the world with you. Click subscribe and let's connect. I love you. Ciao.